Greetings everyone, after many months, the Haunted Mansion has returned as Haunted Mansion Holiday. I'm gonna be going through the entire ride with you guys, pointing out a few things. It's gonna be so much fun. Why don't you come along with me? Let's roll that intro. Before we get over to Haunted Mansion Holiday proper, you actually have to do a virtual queue at the time of this recording, so you're gonna have to use that QR code and whatnot. But yeah, I want to join that. You can't just walk up and hop in queue line, unfortunately. But yeah, just so you know. Yeah, I'm here with Janet, Keith, Alani, and Lily today too. It's very exciting. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. Oh, there he is. This is so weird. It's so cool though. It's already Christmas. Oh my gosh. Wow. Incredible. It's so nice to be back though. Like, we're going back into the mansion.
It was a long time ago.
Yes, it was. Very much so. This is... I think we're gonna mostly see the same stuff we're used to. I'm curious to see any of the changes or updates they've made. But yeah. Also, shout out to my multi-angle POV of this ride. If you haven't seen that, check it out. Check it out right up here. There we go. We're back in it, and Kenny's even here. This is very shocking. Oh my gosh. It's so good. La 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 la. We are back in the mansion. It feels good, man. I love it. Oh, it's so crazy. Now, again, at the time of this recording, we're in the beginning of August. So, Christmas still a ways off. Halloween even still a ways off. But, hey, you know what? I love this version. It's my preferred version anyway. So, we're doing the holiday overlay versus the horror overlay. So, yeah. Very exciting. Oh. Man, it feels like ages since I've been on Mansion. Wow. Look. Hello. April/December. So good. I'm gonna be riding with my ride bro Keith. You're gonna see him. Oh, so yeah, it's gonna be great. There's Keith. Also, I think in front of Dr. Finkelstein, that's new. They always add something. Or the vamp's new. Or have they redone the vamps? I don't know if they've redone. We'll have to check the tape. See if they've added to this event calendar. It's so great. I love it. I'll probably do like a full ride through here, but look at Scary Teddy. The first of many. We love you, Scary Teddy. Yay! Season Screamings. Oh, I love it so. Yeah. Oh, Zero. I love Zero. Oh, Zero. I love you, Zero. He's so cute. Yay. Zero's a champion. Scary Teddy number 2. La 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 la.
Christmas present.
There's the bat! Oh, it's the bat! Cool! They added him back. I remember they had him in for like one day. Or like a couple days. Oh, that's great. Cool. Yeah! Man-eating wreath! I love him. Oh, 13 special gifts for you. That's a little different. Okay, they've updated that. I feel like the cards are bigger. I have no idea. Well. Hello, Leota. Been so long. Yeah, I should say it's been a long time since I've ridden Haunted Mansion Disneyland. I got to go to Walt Disney World a few months ago and ride the other Haunted Mansion over there, like the classic style. So, yeah. Oh. The horror overlay. Over there. Here we go. Even a gingerbread house would seem scary. Oh, the ballroom. Oh, the gingerbread. Oh, look at that new gingerbread house. It looks so good, right? Oh, that's so fun. Yeah, right? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's so fun. Beautiful. Really pretty. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, yes. There's Zero. Oh, way up darkness now. Here we go to the attic. Oh. And... oh.
Ready to resume your visit?
I wasn't ready to stop it. Yeah, ready?
No time.
No time at all. Okay, that didn't take too long at all. Oh, this looks a little different in here too. Yeah, definitely added some things. Yeah, he looks even better this year. Oh, he's over here now. What? What? He's over here and Jack is over... okay, this is all changed up because look at this. That used to be over here and now this is over... okay. Wow. Havoc! Yeah, there's our guy. Happy holidays, Havoc. Oh. It's one of my favorite things to film is this. Oh, wow. Fantastic. Ghostly white snow. Scary Teddy. We love you. Jackie boy! I love Jack. It's Zero. Okay. The lighting seems a little bit elevated. Maybe I'm just crazy, but... hi, Sally. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Oh my gosh. We're gonna be riding this a lot this year, everybody. For sure. Candles glowing bright. Oh, mommy, I miss you, mommy. Oh, it's a little puppy. Oh, okay, here it comes. Okay, looks great over there. Oh, scary Teddy. All right, here we go. Here we go. Moment of truth. Boogie Boogie! Oh no, sorry, we have Oogie Boogie stuff right now, so we wouldn't have hitchhiking. Oogie! Oh, they got it. Oh, look, they did change this a little bit. Oh, and look at. Thanks, Oogie. A little stocking stuffer for us. What a guy. Oh, all right. Ooh, that was great. That was good stuff. As we leave, we say bye to Sally again. Bye, Sally.
I've been waiting to open my Christmas present.
Hey, Jack. Yeah, this all looks like a little bit different too. Good. Good stuff. Good stuff. As we come out of the darkness. We come back. It's the world of the living, Keith. We did it. The sun. My ride bro is turning to dust. There you have it, folks. Haunted Mansion Holiday is back, and look, I'm even repping today. It's so much fun. I'm so glad it's back. Yeah, and there's a few differences that you probably might have noticed if you're somebody who goes on it all the time, like I do. Apparently, there's even like a little tag on the bat that says like from Mark, or it's a Mark Davis like call out, which is really fun. That's fantastic. So yeah, I was like, oh, that's neat. That was drawn to my attention by my buddy Keith, my ride bro, who may also be wearing this shirt today too. We came coordinated. I didn't mean to do it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to make this video just all about Haunted Mansion today. Hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, if you really enjoyed it, consider liking this, leaving a comment down below with the word holiday, H-O-L-I-D-A-Y, holiday. Yeah, that would be great. Also, a huge thank you to all the people supporting the channel financially, either through Patreon, thank you patrons, or the members here on YouTube, or Venmo, or anything like that. It's a huge help. And if you can't do that, or you're already doing that, just consider sharing the channel around. That'd be fantastic. Either way, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.